Hi, my name is Dr. Vitasha Shah, and I am a mother to two beautiful children. One, Vivan Shah, and the other one is Dira Shah. Motherhood is something like a journey, a beautiful journey. And just as we've always known, we've always heard, it's the journey that is important and not the destination. The same goes with motherhood. The journey can have some highs and lows. It can have some good and bad parts, some embarrassing moments, some loving moments, some caring moments. But the journey is a beautiful one. And mine is most beautiful for me.
Hi, my name is Sakshi and I'm mother of a little girl Anushka. She's the center of my universe and I think my life revolves around her.
Hello everyone, happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful and strong moms out there. माँ होना एक रिश्ता ही नहीं, एक शक्ति है जो हमें हर दिन टूट कर भी मुस्कुराना सिखाती है.
Hi friends, this is Millie Ronak Baid from Surat. So today on this special day of Mother's Day, I'm here to share a beautiful experience of being a mother. Motherhood can't be described in one word. It's about loving, caring, selfless, nurturing, supportive and being strong.
Hello moms. So even I am a mother of 2 kids. For me it has been a beautiful journey and actually it has been everything. So actually mothers are not born super moms. So let them learn, let them enjoy the beautiful phase. Yeah.
Today I want to talk about the beautiful phase of life that is motherhood. For me, motherhood is watching your heart walk outside your body. For me, motherhood is being someone's safe place, their hug, their home and their forever.
નમસ્કાર, હું પંડ્યા કાજલ આજે તમારી સાથે થોડી વાત કરવા માંગીશ. આપણે સૌ જાણીએ છીએ કે મે મહિનાના બીજા રવિવારે આપણે મધર્સ ડે ઉજવવામાં આવે છે. મધર્સ ડે આપણા ઇન્ડિયામાં અને ઘણા દેશોમાં સારી રીતે ઉજવવામાં આવે છે. મધર્સ ડેમાં કહેવાતો આવે છે બધા ડેઝ ઘણા બધા હોય, માનો દિવસ હોતો નથી, દરેક દિવસ મા માટે જ હોય છે.
Hi everyone. To me, motherhood means love.
Motherhood isn't about raising your children, it's about balancing identities. We are women managing careers, chasing our dreams, nurturing relationships, and still showing up for kids. We are doing it all often silently, that deserve more empathy, not judgment. On this Mother's Day, I want to tell all the mothers and including myself that you are doing better than you think. Your love, your effort, and your presence are shaping a beautiful little life. Your messy bun, tired eyes, and overflowing heart are the proof of your strength. You are raising a tiny human while still finding pieces of yourself.
My proudest moment of being a mom is every day when I see my children, when I see that independence in my children. They can do the task before, without anyone helping them. Daily task, like going someplace alone by themselves. They have the confidence to do it. My daughter recently learned how to cross road. It's very important. We cannot just keep on going there behind them. Like, we have to make them independent. So that is my proudest moment so far.
Being a mother is the biggest achievement. Remembering a very first day as a mom, I would say, yes, God has truly blessed me with an angel. So being a toddler mother, my proudest moment will be when my angel has called me Mama. I really felt complete when she called me for the very first time Mama. And day by day, as she has achieved her all the milestones, so watching those milestones, it gives an amazing feeling to a mother. So yes, to everyone, motherhood is not so easy. Have to be patient, being calm.
I would like to say that this journey doesn't have all the answers, but that's okay. Go with the flow and enjoy as much as you can.
अगर मैं बोलूँ कि what can a mother expect from someone, or what does a mother want from someone, then it would only be one thing, and that is understand a mother's choices. Every mother has her own choices, her own decisions, and there is always a reason behind a mother taking any decision or making any choice, be it from using a cradle, to be it from breastfeeding, be it from using a formula, to how she raises her children. Every choice has a reason, and everyone should be respecting that choice.
One thing that I wish people understood more about motherhood would be patience and perseverance. That will take you a long way.
આ દિવસ માતાના પ્રેમ અને બલિદાનનો દિવસ કહેવામાં આવે છે. એક બાળક કંઈ કરી ન શકતું હોય પણ માં તેને સમજી શકે છે. એ હજુ બોલતા ન શીખ્યું હોય તો પણ માં તેની ભાષા એને સમજી શકે છે. એ માનો પ્રેમ કહેવાય છે. માતૃત્વ તરીકે હું કહેવા માંગીશ કે અનકન્ડિશનલ લવ વિથ હેપીનેસ. માતૃત્વનો આપણે આ જ શબ્દ નિહાળી શકીએ.
I still remember the day when she was born. जब उसको फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने हाथ में लिया था, you know that feeling उस टाइम आपको एकदम से आती है. I think I felt the purest form of love. And मुझे नहीं पता था कि ऐसा भी कुछ होता है. That rush of emotions, आपको लगता है कि आपके पास जो भी है आप अपने बच्चे को दे दो. I think that is what a mother is. आपकी मदर ने आपको सब दिया है जो उनके पास था. उन्होंने वो भी दिया है जो उनके पास नहीं था. उन्होंने हर चीज़ ट्राई करी है हमारे लिए. एंड आई थिंक दे आर आर नाइट्स, दे आर आर प्रोटेक्टर्स. और उनके लिए कुछ भी बोले वो कम ही है. वो कहते हैं ना कि भगवान तो हर जगह नहीं हो सकते, बट वो माँ को भेज देते हैं. वो आई थिंक 100% करेक्ट है.
My proudest mom moment is seeing my kids be kind to others without saying. Yeah.
The message that I will give all the mothers out there would be that every child is different, and you cannot compare your child with anyone else, and you cannot tell them that see she did it. And you can encourage them, but you don't have to compare and nag them to do something what they don't want to do. You have to understand their interest, and you have to prioritize your parenting. If I go back to being that day one of being a mother, I would actually tell myself that Fatima, you can do it. You can crack this.
If I would go to that beautiful day when I first held my Vivan, or when I held my Dira, if I went back to that day, the only thing that comes to my mind is I'll just tell myself, my older self, that chill Vipasha, badhu thai jase. Everything will be sorted. Don't worry, you will be an awesome mother. So yes.
Here I wish to all the proudest mothers a very happy Mother's Day. Thank you.
So trust yourself, I would say breathe. This tiny soul doesn't need a flawless mother, just a loving one, and that you already are.
I would say you are doing an amazing job. Trust yourself and enjoy the process.
જો મારા મતે ફરીથી એ દિવસ પાછો આવે તો એ ખુશીનો દિવસ આપણે ગણી શકીએ છીએ. અને જો બધી જ માતાઓને જ્યારે એના બાળકનો જન્મ થયો હોય છે ને એ દિવસ ફરી પાછો જો આવતો હોય તો બધી જ માતા એને ખુશીથી માણી શકે છે. તો આપણે બધા આપણી મધરને હેપી મધર્સ ડે કહીશું.
एंड डेफिनेटली आई फील जो कनेक्ट मैं अपनी मदर से क्रिएट कर पाई हूँ आफ्टर माई डिलीवरी, आई थिंक इट हैज़ बिकम मोर स्ट्रॉन्गर. एंड आई फील कि वही कनेक्ट मैं अपनी डॉटर के साथ कर पाऊँ वन शी ग्रोज अप. सो आई विश ऑल द मदर्स अ वेरी हैप्पी मदर्स डे. एंड आपसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग, आपसे ज़्यादा पावरफुल इस वर्ल्ड में कोई भी नहीं है.
So yes, for all the mothers out there, a shout out on this Mother's Day, and we all rock. So don't worry about anything. Everything will be fine because your kids are with you.